Hi everyone, welcome to Traveling with the Elliots. In today's video, we're going to give you a room tour at Disney's Boardwalk Inn. Alright, so once you enter into the room, now this is the first time I'm exploring. These are very nice closets. Oh, there's our safe with a steamer and blow dryer, some shelving. Every single time that I look in these closets, I think of a cruise. But we have extra pillows and blankets, hangers. I'm guessing that's for your suitcase. But 3 mirrors, so you're not fighting over who gets the mirrors. Then we have the bathroom with, of course, the Disney Resort amenities. Got the vanity kit, the mouthwash, body lotion, and a shower cap, and then the bath soap, which is usually used for your hand soap. A nice double sink, a vanity mirror with the light, or cosmetic mirror, and then another full-size mirror. Got the towel hook back here. This is a nice shower. Nice slider. Ooh. These are new, but I wonder if they're the same as the Disney, what was H2O Plus. I wonder if it just looks different because we're at the boardwalk. Nice sized tub. Nice shower head. Extra shelving. Another towel hook, and then inside is the rod to hang your bathing suits. Oh, this is so cute. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, a fridge. Okay, so here is where all your teas and coffees are for your Keurig. We got a little ice bucket here. And then trash and recycling. Pull out couch. Oh, I love this. I wish we could buy that. A lot of natural lighting in here because we have a corner room. So I love that. There we go. Just add a little bit more lighting. Little lamp. Nightstand drawer. There we go. The switch is by the bed, and then there's USB and plugs. Another beautiful pillow, and then this is a king size bed. And then more light switches, turn on and off the main light and turn this lamp on. More outlets and USB plugs, along with the phone. Drawer with the Bible. And then this lamp, which I have no idea, is it just a regular? Yes, it's, oh my gosh. That's so cool. I love that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be playing with this like all day. So a little couch, or not couch, a chair with a Mickey in it. And then it's my birthday, so happy birthday, Brenda and Brenda. Drawers. They're soft close drawers, which are very nice. Plug and USB and USB-C. And then there's directions also on how to do the pull-out bed and couch. Oh, I missed this. On a little picnic. And Goofy on the boardwalk. And then, of course, where is Tyler? Already out here enjoying. Oh, this is oh, we share it.
Yeah, there's one right next to us.
I was gonna say, this is a decent sized patio.
It's nice.
It's still a decent size though.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty good.
It is really nice. So that's our room tour. Hope you like it. Trying to do less voiceovers, do tours like this. Let me know if you like it. Please like and subscribe for more. We are a growing channel, slowly growing, but we just like doing this for fun and for memories in the future and for information to share if you are interested in staying here. Please like and subscribe for more.